Chapter 8 of Bowser's Capture. The baby's gone missing.
I've got your baby Mario in Petty and Baby DK. Daddy!
Baby Yoshi, that would be me.
Let them go! You think I will?
You know, you have to admit it, that was a pretty stupid question.
Go! Babies!
Oh God, we gotta stop him. What do you care? You don't even have one of our babies. You know, you're pretty brave, Mario.
Yeah, you just found that out?
Scooby, come on, Luigi. Come on, climb aboard, Scooby-Doo.
What if I don't wanted?
Well, you're gonna. Woo! Yo, fo, what you think I'm doing?
No. Waluigi, time has come. Oh, Wallapooty. I hate Mario. Help me! Whoa! Oh. Help, Mario! Daddy! Get back, you idiot!
So, Scooby-Doo! This is exactly what I saw you do. Go! What?
Quick, let's go right see the crowd.
Come on, Powerpuff, go.
Yep. Alex, go fool.
This is too easy. Not for long.
Oh!
Oh, I don't really like you, Luigi.
You think you just found that out? Come on, you two. Yeah, Luigi! Die! Go, come on!
Oh yeah! Scooby-Doo! What?
Oh!
Meanwhile, don't worry, we got you. Did you really think it would be that easy? I've given Petty bloody hand. No, I've given Petty, baby. Yoshi, now it's time to steer him blood.
Oh, that was not nice. Yo, you think he'd be nice to you? No! Down! God.
Why, hello, Fiend. Oh yeah.
We've come to beat you up like in Bernie mode.
Try me, purple dinosaur.
Ouch! Oh, I will. Whoa! Come on, purple, let's get out.
Tail toss, yep.
Whoa! Help! Whoa! Too late now, punk. Oh. Go, you guys! Whoa! Frank. I hate you.
Oh, we can't let him kill him like he did to Reindeer Penguin.
Why? Whoop!
Actually, you don't know who killed Reindeer Penguin. Oh, wait. Oh, one suggestion. Get Purple Pink Puff and get out.
Rescue time! What?
Wait, what are we carrying you? I don't know. Whoa! Gotcha, Pink Puff. Whoa! I'm free! Yeah! Wait! I just lost my guard! Scooby! Fun! Let's go save him. It's coming too. You okay, Mario? What just happened? You were knocked out by Bowser. Or, well, Goomba. Like that. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. Yeah, I have to agree. But you did awesome work, Mario. That was nasty. You didn't even see. No, do you want to see people who did see? Oh, you know, Fo, I'm getting a bit bored of it. Without you, Waluigi. Mario! Well, they have some catch-up time. Why don't we just go practice? No, I'm in a fight in a while. So you'll be in a fight sooner or later. No.